Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Catch Your Corner. I'm Barb, and if you've already been to my channel, then thank you, and I'm glad you're joining me again. We're going to do the boat shoes today, and we're also going to do our little experiment, find out which one did better, the Shoe Goo or the E6000, or maybe they did it equally. We're about to find out. Alrighty. Got my little scissors here. Just really want to make sure I don't cut anything I shouldn't. Now, I won't tell you that I've never had a bad brain moment. So what I did last night was just to make sure that once I had the tape off and couldn't see the words anymore, I wouldn't forget which one was which. So I traced out my shoe, made sure that I put on there that it was the left shoe, just in case. Information's always good, I suppose. And then I put the Shoe Goo E6000 beside the sides that I put it on, so that we'll always know. Ooh, that one did stick. That's unusual. Okay. Well, came right off anyway. Left nothing behind. So let's see. E6000 side. Looks pretty good to me. It's all stuck down and good. Let's see about the Shoe Goo side. Let's take a look. Hold on. Actually, I think the Shoe Goo did slightly better. It's holding just a little bit more. Because I can still flip the side the way I intended, because you can on these two. But if I pull at it, nothing happens. It doesn't show anything else. Whereas this side, maybe I just didn't glue it as well, but it does pull up more, and it does seem to pull away more. Maybe it's just a little more flexible. They both hold great, though. So I'm just going to leave that the way it is. I'm happy with that, and if I need to put more stuff on it at some point, I'll actually let you know. But we're not done with these shoes yet. We've repaired the soles, which you saw in one of my videos. Those are still holding good. Very happy about that. We fixed the issue with the sides. I've bought new laces for it when we're done, because it needed them. They were just getting ratty. And I bought some brown leather shoe polish. Wow. I probably should have done that years ago, huh? Looking pretty spiffy. Look at those. Look how pretty they look now. Alright. Gonna let those dry a little bit. Throw the laces on. And put them on my feet. Alright. All that polish is dried up and shoes are looking good again. But they do need some new laces. When I went to the store, though, they only had these long laces. They're about 57 inches long. So I'm going to try and use just 1/2 of each one of them. Alright, close enough. Let's fix those ends. We don't want it all coming apart. You can tell it's getting frayed at the bottom already. Alright. No, it is not hot. That's why I'm able to do that. And just And as you can see, the singed area works just as well as the factory area. Hopefully those are long enough. Find out soon enough. Oh, they are. Super duper. And there they are, back on my feet. Yay! And again, sides are still holding well. Both sides. I would say the Shoe Goo seemed to work a little bit better than the E6000, just slightly. But I'm very happy with both sides, and I'm happy to have them back on my feet. I hope you enjoyed it as well. And I hope to catch you again next time, right here on Catch a Corner.